During the course of my working life, I was fortunate to have experienced many workshops conducted for middle and senior level management, which dealt with the individual empowerment and indirectly with enhancing corporate profit. I would like to share the difference between those programs I had attended earlier and the IA program that I have attended at the ashram. The IA course has a well-defined structure, as all good programs do, but the delivery is more effective. The many exercises aimed at discovering and later enhancing one's potential are no doubt exhausting, but they dovetail seamlessly into each other, thereby enabling understanding that the change was a continuing process. The other major difference in this IA program is the central focus on enrichment of the individual to believe that he is the agent of change. I had expected the exact opposite would be the case, thinking that a program adopting a spiritual approach was necessarily a passive one and advocating acceptance of whatever was happening as inevitable and destined. The daily satsangs as well as the workshops here constantly stress that all actions and solutions should emanate from a sense of empowerment, but that such powerfulness would only achieve lasting results if tempered and in harmony with eternal laws. Yet another pet theory of mine that was demolished was that spiritual, philosophical, and scientific paths were divergent and not convergent as they really are. I would suggest some of you who have doubts in this to please view the videos, hear the discourses, or best of all, experience it for yourself while you are here doing a program. To summarize, do come here if you are on a spiritual journey. It's easier then. Or if you, like me, are a skeptic, you will still find your answers. All it takes is an open mind. Have I found a solution to the problems I came here with? I think so. The feedback I have received so far seems to suggest that. Am I optimistic that I have a better handle on things that bothered me a while ago? Again, yes. I feel more empowered now, though that has happened in a very loving manner. I'm digressing a bit from my original statement that it would be about my IA experience alone, but no recall about my stay here would be complete if I did not mention Swami Nityananda. This program, along with everything else at the ashram here, is his creation, and he continues to nurture it with love, clarity, and compassion. I see this love transformed into reality as I watch the children at the Gurukul, your interaction with your disciples, or with the participants at the IA program, the lucky ones who get to spend more than 10 hours a day in your presence every single day of the program. Swami Nityananda will show you the way and walk with you. But come prepared to believe that you will be the creator of the reality you wish for. It's a bit of work, but it's well worth it. Beside, all the help you could possibly want is here for you just for the asking. Thank you.